Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. I am showing you one of the smallest rooms at the University of Manchester. I am staying in Wentworth Halls. Yes, and this dormitory is so close to the university. I think it's about 70 minutes. So when you're applying, if you're applying for the university dormitory, if you want to be close to the university, I think Whitworth Park should be one of your options. Yes. Um, for those who haven't watched my video about my room tour before unpacking anything, just click in the link above. You'll be able to see the entire video, from outside and then inside. So let me just show you what can fit. Sorry guys, I have just submitted my report, so it's not that organized, but I think it's organized according to how it looks like when I'm so busy. Yeah, this is what can fit. And if you are planning to stay in the university dormitory, you have to know that you are only going to get the studying table, the chair, the wardrobe, and then a bed and a mattress. You will have to purchase all other things, that is bed sheets, a pillow, and then a pillow cover. So be aware of that. And when you go to buy bed sheets, I would advise you to buy single if you are a master's student who's gonna be here for just 1 year, or if you are a short-term student, just to go for singles. Why? Because these beds are really tiny. So if you buy doubles, I mean that's the mistake I made. If you buy doubles, they'll be falling over and over again, which is not funny. I mean, when you're sleeping in the middle of the night and then the bed sheet's just off, it's so cold. And you're like, come on. Yeah, so go for singles. I'll definitely make another video of some of the things that I wish I knew before joining the university accommodation. So watch out for that. Yeah, thank you for following. Let's enjoy this journey. Jupiter. Jupiter. Jupiter.
Who Jupiter? We have all this technology, so we're using it. They didn't have. All they had was, apples falling from trees or whatever.
Confirming gravity.
Yeah.